Okay, we all have really embarrassing photos of ourselves in high school, and you look back at it and you're like, oh my god, why did I look like this? Why was my makeup like that? What's up
Why did my friends
hair?
not tell me I look like a clown? But then we look back and we're like, oh, our friends look the same way.
We were just like a posse of clowns. So we thought it would be fun today to recreate the way we did our makeup.
I was a clown, Ani was a Cholita. Right? Ani was like straight gangsta.
I was.
And when straight gangsta, we mean like she had. Do kids these days even know?
Don't spoil
But do
it.
kids these days even know what that is?
I'm gonna show you guys what my makeup
This is
looks
like 90s kids stuff, right?
It's totally 90s kids. We're gonna recreate our tragic high school makeup look.
Mine is
for
my prom photo.
For a really good laugh.
And for the giveaway for this video, it's the BH Cosmetics Foil Eyes 28 color eyeshadow palette. These are definitely colors that I did not use, and I wish I did use at my senior prom.
That's true. All right, let's recreate our looks.
Oh my god.
So my inspo is just straight up ugly.
It's more like Kourtney Kardashian, I feel like.
You guys, I did not wear any foundation, no concealer, and I don't know what I was thinking. I would wear like a little bit of brown eyeshadow with like very extreme lips.
Yeah,
and, like,
it was lips was
a little bit of,
concealer.
like,
It wasn't lipstick.
a little bit of blush. So I'm gonna recreate my look.
But can we talk about why Ani's high school photo looked like Kourtney Kardashian?
Oh my god.
What Kourtney looks like now.
Yeah. And you know, I did have the little thing. What is that called?
Oh, I don't know. Not vampire.
Widow's Peak.
Widow's Peak!
I used to have a widow's peak like Kourtney Kardashian, and I got it lasered off.
I feel like your inspiration was, do you remember the movie Dangerous Minds?
Yeah.
With Michelle Pfeiffer?
It looks nothing like Michelle Pfeiffer.
No, not Michelle Pfeiffer, the gangsters in the movie. It was very gangsta.
Why did I look like
Cholita,
that?
and then you had the buckle belt.
That I didn't have the buckle belt. Laura had the buckle belt. But you know, it was in back then.
It was in. So when I wasn't doing...
I remember I used to wear Levi's that were size 30 waist because it was like cool to wear baggy jeans.
Yeah, crunched
and I
up.
was like 92 pounds.
Ani was... You went through that Cholita looking phase. I couldn't. I had to wear a uniform to school, so like I was stuck with wearing a blue skirt, but I could have fun with my makeup.
Yeah. And
my inspo was like straight up clown. I don't even know where I got inspiration from. Honestly, it was like
blue eyeshadow was in for a while.
Do you see this palette? This was my inspiration. Like, and then this was my lipstick. It's not like, oh, I did blue eyeshadow and I went subtle on the lips. I didn't know how to highlight, contour. My eyebrows were not done.
I would never do my eyebrows. And my eyebrows were so thin.
So my prom photo, you guys, I went to prom with 5 shades lighter foundation, blue eyeshadow, with this pink lipstick.
Yeah, I remember.
And I thought
I remember that.
I looked so good. I rolled up there like, I got this. Oh my god, so embarrassing.
Yeah, really embarrassing.
So
okay, let's
embarrassing.
recreate our makeup.
Oh my god.
Let's do it. You ready?
Okay, I'm gonna start with my foundation that's like 14 shades lighter because that was the look I was going for back
At least you wore foundation. I would just straight up apply eyeshadow on my eyes. And of course I didn't know how to do anything, so I would literally just do this. And I didn't wear any foundation or concealer even though I desperately needed it.
Look at the irony, we're beauty bloggers now.
Isn't it funny how when you look back on your photos and when you're younger, you're like, oh my god, I look so much better now?
Oh yeah, for sure. But was it like, I never thought I looked bad. I thought it was cool.
Yeah,
like,
we thought we looked great back then.
Was it that was just in style or we were just in denial?
I think it was in style, and obviously we didn't know how to do our makeup.
True. Okay, I was about to use a beauty blender when I realized there was no beauty blenders back then.
No.
So I remember specifically using my hands as basically the beauty blender, which I'm gonna do.
I used to use those really inexpensive sponges that were like 50 packs for like $1. Do you remember those?
Oh, the white ones?
Yeah.
I feel like that was more college. They had those in high school?
I mean, I didn't even wear foundation, so whenever I started wearing foundation, that's what I would wear. Do my eyes look sexy like this?
Oh, not bad.
Yeah, not bad. Okay, but I'm about to move on to my lips, which was the most important thing.
I love how you're gonna be done like half an hour before I am.
And then wait for it. I would wear concealer as lipstick.
I remember that. I remember when I met you, I was like, whoa, she's slaying. And then I started like trying to do the lip liner look too, because our cousin was our inspiration and she was straight chola. Right? Oh my god, that was, I swear I've had this look. I've done this look before. I have.
And we used to buy the white concealer.
Wet and Wild.
Yeah.
Wet and Wild.
From the grocery store. And it was like the lightest shade possible is the one you would go with.
Wet and Wild, I remember.
I can't look at myself in the mirror. And then it would be like a mild blending.
And if you didn't have a dark brown, I would wear black. Like I would straight wear black, right? I've worn black before. I've also filled in my eyebrows with black eyeliner before.
Oh my god. I'm getting like serious high school flashbacks. And then I thought that the way to wear blush was to literally just do this.
I remember, mine is gonna get there. Okay, I'm gonna move on to my eyeshadow now that my face is done. And this was legit it. I feel like I'm gonna ruin my brushes right now by using these colors.
I'm done.
Cholita, what's up, gangsta?
And then we would never smile in photos.
Oh yeah, you cannot smile.
You're not allowed to smile. Oh, yours was definitely this shade blue.
Right?
Yeah. When I met you, you were wearing blue eyeshadow.
And I inspired you. You started wearing blue
I
after
did.
too.
Mm-hmm. I inspired your lips. You inspired my eyes. I think I need more brown eyeshadow. Oh yeah. That's what I'm talking about. I mean, this had to have been cool because everyone wore their lips like this.
You know what I just remembered, right? My prom photo, I had lip liner, and that I actually had this. I didn't have the pink look. It was just more on the pink side.
Oh,
what I did.
I see. Here, this one's the right shade of brown. Do I look sexy? I feel sexy. Look, on the plus side, we were able to do our makeup and leave the house in like 30 seconds.
I definitely use those colors, so I'm gonna.
Of course, we had to have like the darkest lip liner.
Yeah, there was no blending. You had to see the line. So it's like really important, you guys, that you show the line. Is it there enough?
Let me see.
Can you differentiate the two? Yeah.
How do I look? Really sexy.
And my hair is a whole other story. That's like a whole other video.
Oh yeah, yeah.
My hair.
I didn't dye my hair in high school.
You were always very like, Ani's had the same hair literally her entire life.
Pretty much.
And all that's changed is she's gone lighter.
Yeah. My hair was the same.
I've had any hairstyle you could possibly imagine.
Yeah, she really has.
Like literally any hairstyle you could possibly imagine. So this was my prom.
And this was just my general high
Your
school
senior
look.
high school portrait.
Senior high school look, right? So sexy.
What do you guys think? We should put a poll, huh? Who looked better? Who slayed more during high school? Ani the Cholita or Nora the Clown? Vote for us, guys.
Can you imagine going out in public like this now?
Right now?
Yeah.
Oh my god.
We almost should, just to see what reactions we get.
Oh my god.
Okay, well, if you guys want
I still feel like it still like looks better than it did back then.
Yeah, it does.
Like I think it's the formula
I can't get over
of
your
makeup.
lips.
Yeah. I think the formula of makeup has just gone better throughout the years. Cause I don't remember like looking this good.
Okay, well, if you guys want to win the giveaway, you have to be subscribed to our channel and leave us a comment below. Tell us what your high school look was all about.
Yeah, we're gonna put a poll, so vote for us.
We'll see you
Vote
guys
for
next
me!
time. Bye!